Dreaming of a career in the medical field? But didn't qualify in NEET? Don't worry. There are many alternate medical options available for you. Careers like physiotherapy, nursing, hospital management, and many others are open for you. Avoid wasting years, get clarity now and plan your career with confidence. We offer professional career counseling services to help you choose the perfect medical career based on your strengths and interests. A student recently asked us, "I've given NET for the last 2 years but couldn't qualify. What else can I do in the medical field?" And we guided them with a perfect backup plan based on their skills and interests. You can do it too. Take our medical career test to explore the right medical field for you, whether it's becoming a doctor, nurse, or healthcare specialist. Our medical career test counseling helps you discover medical fields beyond MBBS, understand your strengths, and get expert guidance from certified counselors. You'll receive a personalized career roadmap to plan your future smartly. Best of luck for your bright and successful future. And remember, if you're confused about your career or have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Our expert counselors are always here to help you clear your doubts and find the right path. Contact us today, details are in the description below.